Over the last 2 years, I've tried and searched just about every make money online opportunity out there. Some were a complete waste of time and some were way too complicated. So if you're over 50 and you're wondering where to start, today I'm going to rank the online business models that I've personally tried in 3 categories: how easy they are to start, passive income potential, and realistically, how long do you see your first dollar? And I've tried to base this on what's actually realistic for an everyday Aussie trying to get started, even at 50 plus. And I'm going to tell you up front, one of these income streams gets a 5-star rating in every area. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which one makes the most sense for where you are right now. Now, if we haven't met before, I'm Adam, a 56-year-old ex-tradie from Australia with over 3.5 decades in construction. And back in August of 2022, I had a construction accident on a work site, fell down a hole, and broke my leg and my ankle pretty badly. And while I was stuck on that couch thinking about my life, I decided I just didn't want to work for a boss anymore. So I started searching for real ways to make money online. Now, before we get started, you're going to want to grab my free escape plan. Simply drop a 1 in the comments and I'll get it to you. Now let's dive in. Now, income stream number 1, a simple PDF guide. And this is where I tell everybody to start. And here's what it is in plain English. You take something you know that solves a simple problem for one group of people. You put it into a simple PDF guide, you build it on Canva for free, and you sell it on a free platform like System.io. It gets delivered automatically and the money goes straight into your account. Now, ease of starting, I give this 5 stars. If you can send a text message, you can build this $0 to start. You can do this over a weekend. Now, I give this a passive income score 4 stars. You build it once and it runs automatically in the background. Keep posting your content. Spend 10-15 minutes a day replying to your comments. Otherwise, fully passive. Time to first dollar. Realistically, you can have your first sales within weeks. Now, that's not guaranteed, but it's your fastest path to your first dollar that I've found. My recommendation, start here. Anyone can do this. Now, income stream number 2, YouTube AdSense. This is where YouTube pays you to run ads on your videos, and the make money online niche on YouTube is one of the highest paying niches out there. We're talking $15 to $20 per 1,000 views on average, compared to the entertainment channels that might earn 10 cents per 1,000 views. That's a massive difference. And this means even with a small audience, you can generate real income from AdSense. I suppose there is a catch. You do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. For most new channels, that's an average of 6 to 12 months of regular posting. Now let's rate this one. Ease of starting. I've given this 3 stars. YouTube's free to start. All you need is your phone and a story and a cheap microphone. But growing an audience takes time and consistency. Now this might surprise you, but I give YouTube a passive income score of 4 stars because videos I can post today can still be working for me a year, 2 years, or even 5 years from now. We call this evergreen content. And pro tip, don't start YouTube just to rely on AdSense alone. Start YouTube to build an audience for your own digital products. And AdSense is a bonus income stream that comes later. Now, income stream number 3, a digital course. Instead of a written document like a PDF, you record yourself doing simple instruction, how-to videos, going more in depth, giving more value, higher price point, where a PDF guide might sell from anywhere from $7 to $27. A good video course can sell from $97 to $197 or even more. You record it once, it can sell over and over and over again. I film everything on my smartphone. No fancy or expensive equipment. Now, ease of starting, I've given this 3 stars because it's a little bit more difficult than a simple PDF. You need to record and edit your videos, but you can use CapCut. It's absolutely free as well. Now, passive income score, I give this 5 stars because once this is recorded, it can sell automatically forever. Takes longer than a PDF to create, could take up to 2 to 3 weeks. Time to first income, I give this 3 stars. Takes longer to create than a simple PDF, but once it's live, sales can come in in 3 to 4 weeks. Now, income stream number 4, affiliate marketing. This is where you simply refer a product, tool or service and get paid a commission when someone buys through your link. Now, the big plus with this, there's no product creation, there's no customer service, and there's no postage or delivery. Now, I want to be honest about this one. Most of the make money online channels oversell affiliate marketing. It's a great bonus income stream, but it's not one you should rely on totally, because you don't keep the full profit and most of the commissions are small, but they do add up over time. You need a huge audience to make money from affiliate marketing alone. Now, ease of starting, I'd give it a 4-star rating because it is free to start. You can just sign up to affiliate programs on ClickBank, for example, and start recommending any of these products, tools, or services. Now, passive income score, I give this 3 stars because you can earn passively while you're not working, as long as your content's still flowing out there. But stop creating and suddenly your clicks will slow down. Time to first dollar, I give this 3 stars because you're starting from scratch with no audience. This will take time. Income stream number 5, a community membership. Now, this is a gold mine that's not talked about enough. This is the one I'm most excited about building. A paid community membership. When you think of Netflix or KO, that's what we're talking. Recurring monthly revenue. Someone pays $1 a day, $30 a month. They get to be part of the community. Weekly live Q&A, step-by-step modules, daily accountability and support. And that was a big one for me when I got started. And here's the part that makes this income stream so powerful. Every single month, whether I post a video or not, whether I'm working or not, if I had 100 members paying $30 a month, that's $3,000 a month of recurring income. Now, ease of starting, I've only given this 2 stars. You need an audience first. You can't just launch a community to nobody. You need at least 500 engaged subscribers. And this becomes very achievable. Now, I've given this a passive income score of 4 stars. Weekly calls require your time, but the community largely runs itself day to day. Time to first dollar, I give this 2 stars. It takes time to build that audience first. This is what we call the long game. And it's the most powerful income stream on the list for long-term financial stability. Now, income stream number 6, and the one nobody talks about in the make money online space, the honest superannuation conversation. Now, before you switch off, hear me out, because this is the most important financial conversation people over 50 can have. The average Aussie over 50 has around 200k in super. To have a comfortable retirement, you need about 630k. That's a 430k shortfall. And the age pension's just over 30k for singles and about 47k for couples. Before groceries, before power, before petrol or diesel, before life. Now, ease of starting, it's 5 stars. You already have it. You don't really have to do anything with it. Passive income score, I gave it 3 stars. Once you retire, it can pay you regularly, but you do need enough in there to last the rest of your lifetime. Time to first income, I gave this 1 star. And here's the truth, for most Aussies out there over 50 that are already behind, super alone is not going to close that 430k gap, which is exactly why every other income stream in this video matters. Not to replace your super, but to supplement it, to fill that 430k gap. Right, now let me bring this together. We've ranked all the 6 by what I think makes most sense for everyday Aussies over 50, starting from scratch right now. The honest truth, you don't need all 6 straight away, but you do need to start. Start with that simple PDF guide and build it from there. Now, if you haven't already, drop a 1 in the comments. I'll get you the free over 50s escape plan. And this will give you the no BS roadmap to income stream number 1. You can get started this weekend. for free. Now drop it in the comments. Which one of these 6 income streams are you most interested in starting? I'll answer everybody. Now, as always, believe in yourself and never give up. I'm Adam, and we're just getting started.